Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 2008 SUV in the Allure Premium specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, it's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this, there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done under 14,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.